Touch the one that ends with TH. Good work.
Push it back just a little
Touch the
tiny
one
bit.
that ends with
There you go.
TH. Awesome. Find the one that ends with SH. Amazing. Find the one that ends with SH. Great. Touch the one that ends with SH. Perfect. Find the one that ends with SH. Amazing. Find the one that ends with SH. Yippee! Find the one that ends with SH. Awesome. Touch the one that ends with TH. You did it. Find the one that ends with SH.
SH.
That's not it. Find the one that ends with SH.
Ends with SH.
You
Good
did
job.
it. Touch the one that ends with SH.
Ends. Nope. Ends with SH. Good job.
Woohoo! Which one
Made you
ends
second
with
guess.
SH?
Good job.
Wonderful. Find the one that ends with TH. You did it. Which one ends with TH? Fantastic. Touch the one that ends with SH. Yippee! Which one ends with ND? Way to go! Which one ends with ND? Woohoo! Which one ends with ND? Good job! Touch the one that ends with SH. Good work! Which one ends with SH? Way to go! Touch the one that ends with SH. Not quite. Find the one that ends with SH.
Ends with SH.
Which one ends with SH?
Good job.
Wonderful. Which one ends with SH?
Which one ends? Good job.
Wonderful.
Fish.
Find the one that ends with SH. Perfect. Which one ends with ND? You did
job.
it. Find the one that ends with SH.
SH. Ends. Good job.
Perfect. Touch the one that ends with TH.
TH. Good job.
Great. Touch the one that ends with ND. Amazing.
You're really
Touch
getting
the
it.
one that ends with TH. Awesome.
We did it. 74 hours. Well, only one more day on this, and we'll be finished with this. That was quick. All right. While you're playing the game, I'm going to show this is the book that I've been using to have the fill in the blank for Mark. And okay, it's time to do typing. No, we're going to do typing now. Okay. Oh, wrong one. I pressed the wrong button myself. Okay. So we finished long O yesterday. So today is long U. Now I'm a little disappointed because every single other one's had a sentence fill in, but this worksheet doesn't. So we're going to look on here, Mark. Spelling. You want to do some spelling words later? Oh, let's do spelling words. No, not those. Go back. You already did those. Do these. If you want to do some.
Swim. S W I M.
Good job.
Swim. Pink.
P I N
Okay.
K.
Good job.
Okay.
Got that
Pink.
one good. Pink.
Jump.
Not that bad.
I'll get you one for doing.
J U M
Uh-oh.
P.
It's going to count against you.
Jump. Send. S E
Send.
N.
Those consonant
D.
ones. That ends with
Send.
ND. I think that was one of your...
Time. T
I.
I
N.
M
E.
E.
Good job. You did it.
Time.
All right, you missed 2. Okay, now we're going to do some typing. We'll come back and do spelling zap in a little bit, okay? But first I want to do some of this. So what it is there's you got to figure out, what is this? A cub, a cube, or a cup?
A cup.
What is this picture?
Sand.
What? What is that picture? No. We're doing this now. Okay. Look again. Is cup, cub, cube, or cup?
Cup.
What is this picture? No,
Cup.
I lost him. It's not a cup, Mark. And we did shapes. You come sit down. Let's try again. Thank you. All right. What is this picture? No, what is this picture? What is this picture?
Cup.
No, it's not a cup. What is this?
Sand.
It's not a cup. Okay. Let's cross it out. It's not a cup. Is it a cub or a cube?
Cube.
Okay. I don't know if you're just saying that because it's the last one. Okay. Spell the word cube.
C.
Cube.
B.
Cube.
B. E.
Yeah. Put the E. Good job. Push return. Okay. Next word. What is this picture? A rug, a mule, or a ruler?
Okay.
Ruler. Got it? Oh, all right. You get one bear. Ruler. Okay. Come and type the word ruler. And I'm covering these up so he can't see. I wish that spelling app I could put the words in. I bet there probably is a spelling app that you can add the words you want to be practiced. I'm sure there is. Ruler. Come on. But he really likes that. Ruler.
Oh yeah.
What do you use a ruler for?
Not that bad.
Measure things. I got them right here. See, I got them in my hands. You can't get them. Come on. I'm feeling we're not going to get much done today. Come on, sit down. Let's type. Ruler. Do you need to look at the word again? Ruler. Okay, let's go.
I. A.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Go back. E.
Not that bad.
R. Okay, what is that? Okay, what do you do with a ruler?
Oh yeah.
Measure.
Mesa.
Okay. Push return. Next one. I hope you get this one. What is this? A mug, a mule, or a tune?
Done.
No, you're just saying the last thing. Look at the picture. Mark, what is this?
Done.
It's not a tune. Are you looking at the picture? What is this?
Me.
A tune, a mule, or a mug?
Mark.
No, look at the picture. What is that?
Meal.
Mule. Good job. Mule.
That's the best.
It's okay. We just have to learn how to do the sheet. Mule. You type and you can have another bear. Nose is still a little stuffy. Mule. Come on, mule. Mm-hmm. Mule. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Good job. You got it. A mule. I say, what do you do with a mule?
That's the best.
I don't know what to do. I don't know.
That's the
Oh,
best.
donkeys or something. Okay. I gotta figure out what a mule is, Mark. Oh, is this a cute, a flute, or a fun?
Fun.
What is that?
Yeah.
It's a what?
That's it.
It's a what?
Yeah.
I don't know what you're saying. Come sit down. Not very effective. Sit down.
That's the best.
This was even hard for me to see.
That's the best.
No, sit down. Mark, what is this?
The best.
Spell it out. What is it?
The best.
Hey, spell it.
The best.
You spell it.
Say
Uh-huh.
you. T.
You're spelling cute. Mark, it's not a cute, it's a flute. It's an instrument. You play. Okay? Flute. Press return. Flute.
F.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it away. Flute.
Oh.
There's a blend at the beginning. Good job.
I.
You.
You.
Good job. One more.
T.
Silent. No.
E.
Yeah, go back. Now put the E. I didn't mean another T, I meant another letter. Good job, flute.
Food.
What do you do with the flute?
It's a.
Play music.
And music.
Yes, you stinker binker. There we go. Play music with the flute. You blow into it and it makes a pretty little sound. Okay. Well, this next one's going to be even more difficult, I have a feeling. What is this?
Music.
It does music. You know what? Let's go ahead and write music. You write music. Because that's the M word. That's an M word. That's a U word. Music. It's a tune. Uh-oh, time for high school. Okay. Music.
That's the best.
Let's type our music.
M.
Music. You know how to spell music.
U. C.
Music.
C.
Muse.
I.
Muse. Go back. You're getting confused. You want to put the C in. It's right there. Music.
S.
There you go.
I.
Now the C.
C.
The C is at the end. Good job. Music. We just heard music when it said it's time for school. Okay. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got through 5 of them. There's only 3 more left on this page. We got through half of them.
How about that?
Half of them. Is it time for school?
No.
No. What do you want to do?
That's the best.
You want another bear? I think you've had plenty of bears this
That's the
morning.
best.
Plenty bears.
That's the best.
Okay? Plenty of bears.
And the best.
No, you don't need bears.
Not a best.
We would call them cubs.
That's the best.
That's a short U sound, I guess. You.
You.
You want to do a spelling zap real quick? One last spelling zap, okay? Short practice words. Let's get number 4 done. Swim. It's our nemesis.
Time.
Keep messing up swim.
T. I. M. E.
All right.
Time. Jump.